Alright, so here we are opening another box. We are opening February's horror block. So, it has plastic on it, and Joe's going to go ahead and undo that. Apparently with difficulty. And we're going to try this one more time. When you open the box, this is what you will see. So hopefully this works this time. So, once again, just like normal, we will just not look and just take an item out of the box. And we got, nice, a reusable bag from Amityville Horror. Yeah, the light kind of sucks in here. But, let's see if we can. Oh, there you go. You can see it a little bit better there. The Amityville Horror, and then you can kind of see the house here. Put it in, you can see that you got the house, and it says Amityville Horror. And so it's a nice reusable bag, so that's pretty awesome. We have a small collection of reusable bags by Amityville Horror, so I think we'll keep it. It's obviously the t-shirt. Stick that to the side. Alright, we'll take this, and we have a movie. We have The Silent Retreat. There you go. It says here, following an assault charge, Janie Andrews, played by Chelsea Janish, is sent to a remote rehabilitation center in order to avoid jail time. Run by an ominous doctor, played by Robert Nolan, and his two sons, Janie is instructed to follow the rules of the retreat without question. No talking, no eye contact, no interaction of any kind. It doesn't take long for her to realize that something sinister is taking place, and with the help of a fellow inmate named Alexis, played by Sophia Bantaff, sorry if I mispronounced that, the girls attempt to flee. However, despite the doctor's deplorable motive, Janie soon discovers that something much more dangerous lurks just beyond the trees. Well, that sounds interesting. And here's a picture of the bat. And you can't see it too good, but oops. So yeah, Silent Retreat looks so really interesting. The rules are simple. Don't be human. Okay, next. Oh, we've got the Rumor book, which has something about a cannibal movie. I think it's called Raw, maybe. Child Eater. What it tastes like for a girl. Okay. We make our own damn movies. Some reissues. Fright Gallery. Yeah. So, yeah, a nice little magazine there. And then we have Vault of the Macabre. I've never really been sure how to pronounce that. Another type of book. Misguided Divination of Victoria. Looks like it's a bunch of little poems. Or short stories. Some of them are poems. There's a short one just here. Preston Parker was a curious fellow. His face was blue and his eyes were yellow. His arms swayed in front and his legs dragged behind, and he walked with a limp and in circles at times. His jawbone was loose and his spine broken too. His elbows exposed and no toes in his shoes. But fear not for Preston, he was in no pain. Instead, he's a zombie in search of some brains. So some neat little poems and shit. It'll be interesting to go through. So next, alright, we have the Amityville pin. So that'll be great to go with our collection. And I think that's just about it. Yep. Oh, no, one more item. Besides that, we've got Penny Dreadful. Oops, I'm putting that the wrong way. And that is, like a beetle or something. So, I think that's something like what they've seen in the Mummy or something, right?
Well, that's a scorpion.
Yeah, they did something like that in the Mummy, didn't they?
Yes. Well, it tells you in the
Wearing goosebumps or something.
tells you in the
Okay, well, before we look at the pamphlet, we have the t-shirt. And the t-shirt is whatever this is. It is, let me see here, a fish man from New York City.
The Purge.
Purge shirt.
Purge, I guess that's what it is.
It is Rue Moore. Oh no, sorry, that's the magazine. The Purge. This t-shirt from The Purge is the best participation prize you've ever received. It symbolizes that you have killer survival skills. Congratulations on making it through the night. The annual Purge ain't got nothing on you. Seems interesting, I suppose. I mean, I've never even watched The Purge, so probably not a shirt I'll probably wear, but interesting nonetheless. In that Penny Dreadful keychain, he's right, it was a scorpion traveling back in time to Victorian London. Be just like little scorpion with this Penny Dreadful keychain, which allows you to be tracked by clairvoyance. We'll let you decide if that means good or bad things for you. So, all in all, not a bad little box, and looks like they've got like a little article here on the Amityville house, in the little booklet that comes with all the boxes. So that's pretty cool. And then a little crossword. And a Q&A with Bruno Urbain, business manager and design director at Fish and Cactus. Something about Catwoman. And apparently new boxes are coming. Oh, it's pretty cool because even if you go with the front and back of the book, it makes up the Amityville house. So that's pretty awesome. So anyway, that's it for this video. There will be no horror block or nerd block. I might keep my nerd fan box for next month. It depends on something that hopefully will happen tomorrow. All other boxes will be suspended for next month. There will still be some videos coming because I've got this month's t-shirt block and I've got this month's Geek Fuel. If you see my other videos, I say that I have February's Geek Fuel, but that was actually January's Geek Fuel. So I've got February's Geek Fuel coming at some point. I don't know. Tracking's all screwed up on that. And apparently my t-shirt block should be shipping this week, hopefully. So probably no more videos this week unless Geek Fuel comes in. But I should have at least one video next week, maybe two. Like I said, it depends on Geek Fuel if I get it this week or if I get it next week. And you'll have the t-shirt one, and then that'll pretty much be it for March, because even though we're technically still in February, possibly one in March, probably closer to the end or the middle of the month, whenever the nerd fan comes in from Nerd Block, if I can manage to do that one. We'll see how that goes. So that's it for now, and see you next time.